Oh, we got some technical stuff. I like it. Oh, it's just a little bit of off camber. What's it look like? What's it look like? How's it look? Woo!
Get your foot back in there. Scared.
Look at that flex. Turn to your... Oh, careful, buddy, careful. Y'all good? You out of there? Your leg cut and uncut?
You good?
Can you get your leg out or no?
Stay right there.
All right, there we go.
I almost had it. I think I got that on film too.
Shit.
You already know. Yeah, would.
As in, put it in neutral quick.
Yeah. Get there. That's it. Get there.
All right. Just roll your legs out of the way. All right.
Man,
Yeah,
all that. All right. I
just,
got it.
it just caught. He caught the rut and it cocked his tires that way. Woo!
Ooh, man.
Y'all good though? Your legs all right?
I'm good, bro.
All right.
The soft mud sunk in.
Oh, perfect, perfect.
Yep.
How did you do it?
Right here. The only reason he got caught up was because the hold on a second. Let me see if the kill switch went off. They're neutral and everything.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's right, because you. That's right. There it goes. Good, there you go.
I'm gonna put my tire. I'm gonna try to come on and put my tire right here.
If
I'm
it-
gonna go into it.
yeah, your tire. Put your tire right in. You'll be fine.
I'll tire in the track and just
Yeah, you'll be
drive
good.
the damn track down.
All right, let me see.
Just when it drops off, just be sure and hold on.
Make sure you use your back brakes. Use your back brakes more.
What brakes?
Not you.
Oh.
You got engine brake. Okay, Mario, keep in first gear. And four-wheel drive. Y'all hold on to his backside just in case.
Lean off to you, right your bike and put it right in the track.
There you go, buddy. Just try not to let that tire get caught up in that hill. You'll be good.
Let the momentum go. There you go. There you go. You got it.
Easy.
No problem. Right in the track, Chris. Right in the track. Oh, he got it.
Yeah, he got it.
He did it yesterday.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
He did it going up and going up.
Okay.
Them wild selfies around here.
Ronnie, you go the same way.
It's my turn.
You're good. You're good. You're good. I know you're good.
Shorty ain't got no brakes.
For the 10,000th time, I know. For the 10,000th time, I know.
Hey, I ain't got no brakes.
Oh, okay.
Hey, oh, stop. I think you should go down this one.
Nah, this one's fine. He's got that long wheelbase. Yeah, it's easy. Hey, you don't got no brakes. Calm down. Motherfucker. Look at that. Look at that engine brake. Woo! You got first gear? Okay. Use the rear brakes more, not the front brakes. Yeah. That one in the foot. Yeah. What happened? What happened? Ants. Oh shit. Damn. You good?
No, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna get some water and put on your feet. I got some alcohol wipes. I got an alcohol wipe. What you want? God dang.
This is flashbacks of birthday.
Right? Hey, don't do the same thing.
Don't go that way.
Perfect, perfect. Too easy. She should go that way, right?
Yeah, I come into it. It wasn't sketchy at all.
Woo! Jump for the mants.
I just kicked the couple.
That's gross.
Ow!
Damn. You want one of those alcohol wipes?
Nah. I'll man it up. Put mud on it.
Put some mud on it. Well, where? From where? There ain't no mud here.
Oh, we gonna do that spot. Bird.
God dang it, Mark. You're wild.
That hole last night, Mark jumped about half of it when he jumped in there.
Oh, shit.
And when he hit it, the front end never even went down. It just landed flat.
Mark's crazy.
Yeah, I think you could launch off of that.
You probably could, but I wouldn't.
Why not?
I would, because
You gotta get used to it.
we
You're
do.
gonna ride with us up at
Oh, I'll wait down to the bottom. That's fine.
Yeah,
I'm gonna hook my winch up and then
go off some 8-foot boulders. You gotta jump.
see, I can't do that yet. I don't got that confidence.
No, you can't just creep over the edge. You just gotta launch off.
Oh shit, yeah, I don't know about that.
I'm fat. Oh, you good? I can get around here.
Can you? Shit, I don't know if I can.
Follow me, I will lead you.
Thank you, thank you.
Get wet. They started to get heavy.
Woo!
You know, I use my camera. It looked like it's up.
It's up.
What happened now? More ants or what? Oh, glass. Oh shit. Damn. It's glass.
Oh, shit.
Woo! Dang, listen to the sound of this beast. The silent beast, the silent assassin is what I like to call it.
Look, put on that stuff.
I look at now and I said, what the fuck?
They look real. That's what this one looked like with those tires on it too. They look so small.
I've been thinking everything like, goddamn. Look at the string collar. I feel bad. Look at out, he's written, so.
Yeah, feel a little inadequate at the moment.
Yeah.
I got you.
It's not bad.
They're not bad bikes. They really are.
I'm just like, you know.
If they had a little better set of tires, it'd be. Let's go, Mr. Parker. 28. What you know about them 28s? Who, me? Okay.
You're supposed to be in front of me. Hey, you're not recording.
Oh, that's right. Oh, I didn't know that was nasty. It looked like a little puddle. Oh. Damn it. All right. What happened? Oh, okay. I was gonna try it. I thought you were going. Keep going.
I'll stop it.
Oh, okay.
Just for you.
Oh, okay. Oh shit. There's a little bit of a dip there. My camera on? That is true.
I dropped in over there, bro.
Oh, he's blocking the way though.
Nah, go over there and get it. Just go over there, he'll move.
Nah, I will. Look.
All right, I know.
I know. I know.
You got it. You got it.
So, buddy. I got it. Thank you. I need a little more. All right, we're good. Yeah. Woo, thank you, buddy. No.
Check that car on the other side.
Look at the end of the hole. All the mud that come out.
God dang. Woo.
Huh? I'm glad I didn't hit it first.
God dang.
Son of a bitch. Trying to send me in there.
I'm trying to get you in here.
Motherfucker.
I mean, are you not sorry?
Woo. Who's next? God dang.
I think that one.
It's too soft. I didn't have enough grip.
Yeah, it didn't seem like there was a bottom at all.
Yeah, there's nothing.
It didn't seem like there was a bottom at all.
Woo.
Even when you lean it over, it still wouldn't.
Yeah, it was just dip. It's just diving.
I think the only time you ever catch it anything is when you grazing on the side.
Woo.
I was thinking it came back on. Which way we going?
He turns his on and cuts yours on?
He just heard the ding, ding, ding.
Oh.
I need to change my battery though.
What do you?
Y'all got something going on right there. One person cutting both on.
Yeah.
I just gotta change my battery real quick.
Easy, killer.
Woo. Mr. Choke. Dang. Mario, you gonna jump off in there or what?
I don't know why, because it won't stop.
Yeah.
He already told me it cost $6,000 to replace it. I said, nah.
$6,000.
You know it's 43 left.